Howdy ho, guys and gals. Jeff King here in the Den Tool, and we got a quick news blast for you about some stuff going on over at Lowe's. Not a sale, this is clearance deals, and I mean blowing them out clearance deals. First thing we got up is we've got the Metabo zero clearance 12-inch sliding miter saw. It's got the rails off to the side, over-under shotgun style, so it slides forward. There's nothing behind it, so you can put it flush up against a wall. Don't worry about that price you see up there. That is not the price, not even close. Forget 10, 20, 30% off. We're seeing this saw show up 50% off, $164. That is cheaper than the cheapest entry-level basic, bargain basement kind of saw you can see for a 12-inch saw. This is a decent saw. This is a value-priced professional grade tool. Metabo HPT, that's the old Hitachi brand. They've been making stuff like this for years and years. This is a decent saw for any homeowner. It's probably going to be way more than anybody really needs. But $164, that is a fantastic price. Now, I know people ask me all the time, well, what about the drop shadow versus, because this has the laser. Lasers are not great. They have problems with alignment. They get clogged by sawdust. They die. It happens. Yes, it's got the laser on it. But you know what works just fine? Tape measure. I've used them for years. Works just fine. Anyway, this saw you may not find it in the spot where it's supposed to be. Okay, because they're clearing it out so often they move it. So you might have to walk around, look for the boxes and stuff, see what you can find. $164.50. People are finding them. I've had a bunch of people send this to me today. Sorry, I was off Christmas shopping with the family over in Bozeman, so just got back to the shop and wanted to get a quick video about this one. You saw this. I showed you this one. Table saws. I get so many people asking me for table saws. Boy, this is it. This is the killer deal. And if you pulled a trigger on a saw before this, I'm terribly sorry. There's no way we could see this coming. This is the Delta table saw that I've reviewed before. Well, I reviewed the first gen. I had that. It's a great saw. People always say, well, some of them had the motors die. Well, yeah, they did have an issue with these at launch. They had some bad capacitors. They're covered by warranty. If you get some new old stock, it's, again, covered by warranty. They come with a 5-year warranty. I think you'll be fine about that. Anyway, $679 was the list price on this saw. And we were happy when we get this for like $600, maybe even $550. What if I told you can get this full-size table saw for $339.50? That's absolutely ridiculous. I've got its cousin sitting here behind me, the new one in orange under rigid. Practically the same saw. I mean, that much difference. They're fantastic saws for homeowner, for the DIYer, weekend warrior, people looking to get started in woodworking. This is a full-size saw. Yes, it's got steel wings. Doesn't have cast iron, but you know what? You can take those out. You can put in some MDF in there. There's a lot of different solutions. You've seen stuff that I've done before. You can buy cast iron wings and put them in there. There's a lot of different. There's a great group on Facebook that covers all of this stuff that's specific to this saw, and now it's rigid cousin, and they have all the solutions. You want to put in a router table, they can tell you the exact one to buy that just plugs right in, basically. $339. This is, I'm stunned, absolutely stunned to see it at this price. We knew that they were getting discounted. We hoped that they would drop this low. I said, maybe they would. Well, they have. And if you think, again, you're going to have to hunt around for this. It's probably not going to, they've probably pushed them off to the side. They may be at the back of the store. They may be in the clearance section. You never know what each store is going to do. They all do it a little differently. You also, remember this, they like to put the extra stock up top. Do some neck stretches first before you go in, because when you're unicorn hunting, and that's what we call it over in the Facebook group, when you're hunting these unicorn deals at Lowe's, they're usually up on the top rack. So be prepared. I would not even be opposed to saying, bring a set of decent little binos with you so you can spot them up there, because honestly, you want to make, with this, it's easier to see. With some of the Craftsman stuff and some of the Cobalt stuff we've seen before, they're all in the brown box and you got to find the code on it. This one should jump out at you a little bit easier. And yes, guys on the channel are getting it, all right? Look at this. This is one of the guys over in the Facebook group, buying one for him and some buddies and such. Oh my gosh, let me see if I can get over here and see what exactly is the model number on this one. Where was it? Oh, it was right there. No, it's all gray. I can't see that. Anyway, Moving along. Other great deals we have here going on. We got the Bosch 7¼ inch Circ Saw for $109.50, which is a great price. It's normally $219, but get this. They are still, this is the cordless, they're still doing that combo kit, and this is part of it, which should get you the battery and the charger. Make sure your store has that before you buy it, because you should be getting the full kit for $109, which for this saw is an insane price, all right? How about this? People ask me, what about router tables? This is a decent one. Is it not? Is it the top of the line? No, it's not. For DIY homeowner, though, it is more than good enough, and $129 down from $170. That is a fantastic price. What else we got for you? Looking for a workbench? We got the Cobalt stainless steel. This thing is way overkill. Normally $400. All these stainless steel things are way expensive. $132 3-drawer stainless steel workbench, 100-pound weight capacity. That'll look nice and shiny in your workshop, huh? And then last but not least, we got some V20 combo kits here. This will get you the trimmer and the blower there for $59.47. That's down from $119. I think it comes, yes, it does include the battery as well. So you can get the battery, you can get the charger, you can get the blower, and you're going to get the trimmer. This is a ridiculous deal. Just outrageous. Anyway, these are hot deals. They're going to be in store only. All right. You might be able to, some of the other ones you might be like, where to go? The saw, you may be able to get these. I would assume that these are going to be in-store only. You could try ordering them online. There's a reason we call it deal hunting. You have to go out and hunt for the deal. I get a lot of people who will comment on this video, and you know you're going to do it. You're going to comment away and be like, I didn't get the deal. I went online and said it was out of stock in my store. I don't know what to do for you. The stock lies. Once they clear it out, a lot of times they take it off the list and they put it off to the side, and it's no longer showing up as inventory. They don't want it in their inventory. They're trying to manage their inventory so they can get their numbers up for the end of the month. So they'll remove it, okay? Trust me, if you're interested in this stuff, you got to go to the store and look for it. You got to go hunt for it. Most of you are not going to find the deals because they've been going for a while. They were over on the Facebook page. If you're not a member of the deals group at the Den Tools Facebook group, I don't know what to tell you. I get it. I don't like Facebook. I think we all are pretty miffed at Facebook at this point, but that's where everyone is and that's where the group is. And so we just got to live with what we got. Anyway, hope you can go check it out. Also, I hope you can be there this Sunday for the Den Tools live stream, 6 p.m. Pacific. We're going to be doing tools giving. And oh my gosh, all the tools, so many tools. Who is it? We've got confirmation from Right Tools. Lowe's, of course, Lowe's is going to be giving stuff away. Harbor Freight's going to be giving stuff away. Klein just confirmed they're going to be giving some stuff away. We're going to be giving away a 3D printer from Anycubic. This is probably the biggest tool and gift giving extravaganza of any tool channel this year on YouTube. So be sure you come and check it out. Anyway, that's all I got. Let you go here. You all have a great weekend. Take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.